Hey, Sidelines, Shorelines, what's up? Good morning, and welcome to Saturday morning, Memorial Day weekend style. Not what we had envisioned, but we definitely, hey, this is Finley, there he goes. Not what we envisioned, but we did overnight on the boat last night, had a good night. Actually, a little operational update. We did actually have a repair done last week. Looks like we needed new impellers on the engine, so we got that done over at Duffy's Creek. Shout out to Chris Luttrell and the gang over there for helping us get this thing back underway. Looks like we might have some other repairs in our future, but that's owning a boat, right? So, cheers everyone to a hopefully improving weekend. It is chilly and rainy and choppy and not pleasant, so it's definitely a day to stay in the marina, maybe do some work down below, and hopefully the second half of the weekend is gonna look better. So cheers guys, see you in the water.